guys, it's Kevin DeSilva here with the Living in Los Angeles channel, and today we're touring a very cute 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom with a studio back house. We're here in Wiseburn. It's a LA County unincorporated neighborhood of Hawthorne, and it's part of the award-winning Wiseburn School District. I'm a little biased because my kids go to school there, but it really is a great school district. One of my favorite parts about this home is its walking distance to Holly Glen Elementary School, Wiseburn Middle School, and Aviation Elementary School. They're about a couple blocks away from right here. Let's go take a look. Favorite parts about the Wiseburn School District and the 3 neighborhoods are the parks. So on the east side, you saw we have the Wiseburn walking path. On the west side, we have Glasgow Park right here. And here we have Holly Glen Park. It's right across from Holly Glen Elementary School, Wiseburn Middle School, and Aviation Elementary School. Now, Holly Glen Elementary School is your assigned school, same as Aviation Elementary School. It is broken up into 2 parts, but Wiseburn Middle School is where you go before you go off to Da Vinci High School. If you like this house as much as I do, visit one of the open houses or contact your agent. Schedule a private showing. And if you don't have an agent, leave a comment below and we'll reach out so we can get you into this house and you can start living out the next chapter of your dreams in Wiseburn, the neighborhood of Hawthorne, and the Wiseburn School District. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one.
And you have Delair Park right next to Da Vinci Connect and Delair Elementary School.
The Wiseburn School District is the 42nd best school district in the state of California. It sits next to El Segundo, and the headquarters actually sits next to the Lakers training facility here in El Segundo.